How to delete or uninstall third party app access on Android. Hey everyone, this is Rose from Create, Login, and Delete. And without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. In order to delete or uninstall third party app access on Android, you need to hop into the settings on your Android device. On the settings, scroll down to the bottom, select Google. Then, once you land on this Google section, tap All Services next to Recommended. Now, under services on this device, you need to scroll down and select the option of settings for Google Apps. Now, select connected apps at top of the screen. These are all the five total apps and services that are third party on your device. In order to remove this access, you need to open the particular third party app and then you need to tap delete all connections that you have with Canva. And to confirm, tap the confirm button and it will be deleted or uninstalled from your Android device. In this way, you can easily delete or uninstall third party app access on Android device. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.